Today on Too Fat for Fun, I'm going to be talking about travel tips for baggage. I'm concerned about things going missing or being stolen, and a lot of my baggage decisions are based on those concerns. When I'm traveling, I like to take two main things on the airplane. I like taking a backpack and I like taking a wheelie bag. When I'm picking a backpack, I like to think about being cautious, and I tend to choose one that's overtly childlike. If it looks a lot like a child's bag, perhaps it may be less appealing for potential thieves, because who wants child stuff? A thief probably sees it and thinks, oh, she's just carrying it for one of her kids. It's filled with stuffies, blankets, and other stuff that kids carry around, but nothing of any value. This is one that I like taking whenever I go traveling. Covered in unicorns was one of my daughter's old backpacks from school. Pickpockets are such an issue, especially in major cities. I've never had a problem with anybody trying to grab my bag. I've actually never had anything go missing when carrying around a child's backpack. I like taking a wheelie bag because it holds enough that I can be able to get through at least 3 to 5 days before having to do some laundry. I like to use compression bags to be able to get the most out of the small luggage that I'm taking. Compression bags allow you to push out as much air so that you can get the most out of your luggage space. I like to bring my own pillow from home, but I pack it inside of a compression bag. Packing for Paris right now. I like to split up everybody's clothing so that everybody has one outfit at least in each bag. That way, in case one of the bags gets lost, not every single piece of that person's clothing has gone missing, and that they'll at least have something to wear until we are able to recover the baggage. The purse I take is this one from Dooney & Bourke, and it's a crossbody bag. It's a lot harder for thieves than an on-the-shoulder and over-the-shoulder bag. The size of this bag really matters, and the reason I take a small bag like this is because it doesn't actually need to get checked. It's 8 inches by 7 inches. A lot of places like museums and castles may require you to check baggage that's any larger than this. A lot of people that I saw were traveling around with high-end bags like Prada or Louis Vuitton, and that's great. I think if you care a lot about fashion, that can be really important, but as my priority is safety, security, reducing loss, and I take one that doesn't have a highly recognizable name brand association for thieves to target. I tend to be the person who's keeping track of all the bathroom, toilet accessories. A bag like this can hold all of your bathroom things that you need to take from home. It really helps me keep organized. It comes with a hook that you can hang on the back of the bathroom door, and that clears up a lot of the precious counter spaces in bathrooms when traveling with families. I don't like traveling with a checked bag. I like packing a bag for carry-on luggage in case it's needed. And I put one of those in a compression bag just in case I decide that I'm going to bring home a lot more souvenirs than I initially expected. And those are some of the baggage tips that I have for traveling. I hope this has been helpful. If you've enjoyed this, please hit the like button or leave a comment below.